Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off sleep schedule and sleep focus on iPhone X. But first, can you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the Focus. Then in the Focus, choose the Sleep. Then in the Sleep Focus, scroll down and go to Schedule section. Then if you want to turn it on, just click the Health application. Then after that, scroll down and go to your schedule. Then click this part. And as you will see, there's a switch button on the right side of the sleep schedule, and all you have to do is just turn it on to enable or turn on. And your sleep schedule is now turned on. And if you want to disable or turn off, just press again the switch button to disable. And that's it. We have successfully turned on and off sleep schedule and sleep focus on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!